Hi guys, Michelle Visser, author and host of the Simple Doesn't Mean Easy podcast. I'm also a gardener, have been my whole life. We've put the gardens to bed for the winter, and I showed you in a previous video that I will link in the description how I have dehydrated all of my tomatoes this year. I planted 92 tomato plants, dehydrated a whole lot of tomatoes. By the way, I took the easy route. Super amazing hack for you. Don't miss that video. But now I have all my dehydrated tomato powder that I'm going to turn into tomato sauce. Well, I won't actually turn it into tomato sauce until I add the water with any meal that I want to have my tomato sauce with. I will rehydrate my tomato powder. But right now it's just plain tomatoes. I'm going to add all the seasonings that are going to make it delicious tomato sauce. So come into my kitchen with me. Let's do this. So first thing, I'm going to measure out my 3 cups of tomatoes. Tablespoon of pepper. Some sweetener. You want a sugar of some sort. I'm going to use coconut sugar, just a 1/4 cup of the sugar. That's it. That is everything that makes up this tomato sauce powder. Stir it up well, put it in a jar. I love these lids because they have a good seal, but they're really easy open. We use a lot of tomato sauce, so I'd like it to be a convenient open lid. So there you have it. There is 1 quart of tomato sauce, dehydrated and ready to be made into your next delicious meal. This actually equals a lot of meals. You need about 12 tablespoons of this with roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of water for every 1 tablespoon of this, depending on how thick you like your sauce. And that will make 3 cups roughly of tomato sauce. So there you go. So for one thing, depending on what kind of tomatoes you're using, your tomato sauce could turn out to be a pretty unique color. It's not going to look like store-bought sauce, most likely. I have such a large variety of tomatoes in here that are all different colors. They're heirloom tomatoes. My sauce is actually quite purple, like a deep purple. So maybe you could see that as part of the fun, right? And when you're using this tomato sauce, you can make it on demand. You will get to the point that you know exactly how much you need for whatever it is you're making. I don't usually measure the water anymore. I'll just know the consistency I want as I add it. And you can make exactly what you want. Gone are the days of those jars of tomato sauce that you forget about in the back recesses of your fridge that you pull out that has lovely mold growing on the lid and you need to throw away. Those days are gone because you can now have your tomato sauce on demand, exactly the amount that you want when you want it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel.